This is it. It's the last time. Cannot screw this up. All right, here it is. This is my Suzuki Sierra. It is an SJ413 manufactured in 1993. This is the second series of the Sierra line. They don't make a Sierra anymore. You guys might know it as the Jimny, but this is mine. I picked it up just over 2 years ago and it has cost me a lot of money, but I love it. So here's a little car tour that no one asked for. Cool thing about Sierras is that you just have to jump out and flip your hubs over to four-wheel drive. Okay, here we go. Yes, I did just go plant my camera, and yes, I did just have to run back up the hill. So I'm absolutely not a professional 4x4 four-wheel driver by any means. I don't want to put 4x4 in my Instagram name, but I do think it's fun sometimes. Oh my gosh, here we go. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. Far out. All right, we are in. Nah, we're gonna go back to first gear. Yep, okay, first gear. We're gonna go over the ruts, and because this car has such a small, like, it's not very wide, you gotta take it real easy. Real easy. I wonder if we can go over the GoPro without knocking it over. Oh my gosh, GoPro, I'm so sorry. Now that we've made it to a better lit spot, I will show you some of the cool features that either came with my car or I've added since purchasing it. So one of the most recent additions is this really cool fishing rod thing that, oh, there's a little moth, just, oh, hey moth, behind it. Ah! And this was put on to go to Melbourne for a bit of fishing. I also added some little lights and I wired them myself, and yes, it took like 3 days and was really annoying. Plenty of bugs, very good. It also has blacked out rims, baby. Yeah, it had silver rims before. I didn't like them. Don't ask me what size these wheels are because I don't know. It had bigger ones and I downsized, not too small, but it definitely fits the vehicle. It also has some roof racks. These are Rhino Rack roof racks and a Rhino Rack basket featuring some old hockey straps. Don't laugh at me that I say hockey straps, it's just something that I say. And that's probably everything externally. And let's just open her up. Bam! And we will have a look under the hood. Now I'm gonna have to put this microphone down. Let's put it in here. Hey, that's a good spot. Cool thing about the Sierras is that even though they came or come with, or should come with, a little lever thing, pitch, I don't know what you call it, to hold your bonnet up, you just can lean it up on the windscreen. Very cool. And I've got a new radiator. That was something I did early on. Also got a new starter motor. It also came with this super cute toolbox that I painted. It was ugly and gross and I painted it orange because I like orange and safety orange is cool. And other than that, this is all the stuff underneath that makes sounds and makes the car run. So the coolest thing I think is that, and the other coolest thing is that it still runs and it runs really well. When I picked it up, I found this really cool information on the inside as well. It's like a little service log. It's had a couple of head situations, but that is pretty standard for this vehicle, or at least standard as far as the forums and stuff I have read. So from the back of the car, pretty standard. My handle doesn't work very well, and it looks like someone has had to break in at some point, but that's fine. And I took this back panel off. I saw someone else did it on Pinterest or something. Bit of storage, couple of things in there, you know, things for old cars and stuff. And it at the moment only has one back seat in there, but it did come with two back seats. I can fold them completely forward and store them up against the front seats, or completely pull them out, which I think is great. Other than that, it's just the back of a car. There is actually quite a bit of space in there. And then if you go into the front of the car, front seat, manual, book I got also to help fix things on my car, glove box, the button I put in for my light bar, don't get me started, all the other normal front seat car things. And you know, it is pretty old. It's like nearly 28 years old. It's got a bit of character, but that's pretty much the inside. I will just add that I've made this video just so I could test my microphone. It's H1N, and I hope I've done a good job. I've got the fluffy cat thing on, or the rat, I don't know what you call this. So I thought, why not do a little bit of ASMR? Let's do some engine ASMR. I'm gonna start her up. I don't know where to put this. Someone is like blowing air at the moment. I'm gonna plop that right there. Pop this right here as well. It's probably a good spot, I don't know. And I will start the car. Thanks for watching.